start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry if you can hear my fans blasting. It's so hot, I'm melting. So today we're going to do a quick easy pudding gel design. So I've got some gorgeous new pudding gels from Glam. So they've got another 10 new colours. They are your standard fantastic vegan, cruelty free, HEMA free, 21 free formula, palm oil free. Love them. So colours quickly, we've got mint green. They've all got a little plastic cap. Look how easy that comes off. I much prefer that to the foil seals. Then we've got pastel yellow. Gorgeous. A lot of these are pastels and there's some nice bright colours as well. Celeste blue. It's a nice baby blue, isn't it? And then we've got bright purple, and this is bright. I'd call that neon for sure. Love it. Then we've got French lilac. Very pale lilac pastel colour. Then we've got fresh peach. I'd love a fresh, cool, ice cold peach right now. Then we've got lemon yellow. This reminds me of Yellow Cab from, is it the New York? When they went to New York. Turquoise blue. Gorgeous. That is a pretty colour. And spring green. Can you see them little condensation bubbles? You get them on all solid cream gels. It's nothing new. Tulip pink. Oh, it's pretty pink. Isn't it cute? So that's all the colours. Look at them. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. So I've picked out 5 colours. I'm going with the pale pastel ones. And yeah, we're just going to do a little design on my practice hand. So these are just XXL, 2XL coffin tips. I thought I'd go with some of them today. So I'm going to give them a quick base coat. Just a nice, thin, even coat. I'm using Madame Glam base coat. And that's going to get cured for 30 seconds. Don't forget as well, guys, you can get 30% off Madame Glam products with my code unpolished30. The link is always in my description box with all my other discount codes. So this finger, pointer finger and pinky, are both just going to be pink. So you'll see I'm doing 2 really thin layers. The coverage you get from these little cream gels is fantastic. A tiny bit just goes forever. I'm a right giggly pants today. It's this weather. So yeah, really thin coat, and these cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, guys. So 60 seconds each coat. I'll do exactly the same on the pinky, but I'll do that off camera. So that's the pointer and the pinky cured now. So on both of these middle nails, again, I'll just show you doing this one. I'm putting it on in thin layers, thin coats, and I'm only doing 1 coat as well. And super easy. I've never done this before, guys, but just splodges. Just put the colours wherever you want them. Any colours, you could do these splodges smaller, you could do them bigger. Yeah, I'm just using each colour that I showed you at the beginning, and I'm just splodging it out. And I'm not blending the colours too much. You're going to blend them a little tiny bit in a minute. I'm not curing any of these colours. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to use an ombre brush, and I'm just going to pull that ombre brush down. You don't want to go over this more than once because they will blend too much. Just 1 swipe down the middle and 1 swipe down each side is all you need. And then that's going in the lamp now for 60 seconds. How pretty is that? I really like how you can see the lines going down it. I really like that effect. So these are having a matte top coat now. I'm using an old matte top coat because I'm going to be painting on them anyway. And they'll get a proper top coat at the end. So I'm using Madame Glam's white gel paint. And on the pink nails, this one and the pinky, again, I'll just show you this one. I'm doing some little clouds. So don't worry about getting your clouds perfect. Every cloud is a different shape. So I'm just painting the top part of that cloud quite thick, and then I'm going to use an ombre brush and just pitter patter pitter patter just tickle it with the end of that ombre brush and just fade that gel polish down. Yeah, and if you feel like it's gone a bit too far down, just wipe your brush off and carry on fading it. Yeah, I played about with these for ages. I have skipped some of it, but can you see that cloud's gone a bit too far down? So just keep patting it and pitter pattering it and fading it out. And I'm going to do that on, yeah, both pink nails. And these gel paints, these cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. These gel paints cure glossy as well. They don't cure with a tacky layer. So you can do little glossy designs like this on a matte background, and I think they look beautiful. So again, I'll show you just doing this one more cloud. So I've done the top of the cloud, and again, I'm just going to fade it out. If you feel like your brush is getting clumped up, just wipe it off and carry on. So all I'm doing now quickly is my clouds have been cured, but I'm just using the detailer brush. This is the Madam Glam fine liner, and I'm just outlining the top part of those clouds. Just gives them, just defines them a bit more. I just think it makes the fade stand out a lot more when you go around that top part. So that's going to get one more cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm just doing some little stars. So I use my dotting tool. Just do 2 little dots of gel and use the gel in them dots, and use the skinniest brush that you've got and just pull a line going up like that, and then pull another line going down. I like to do the line going up and the line going down just slightly longer, and then again a line going out to the right and a line going out to the left. And don't be scared of taking your hand off the stand, guys, and putting it in that position that makes it easier for you to work with. You don't have to keep that hand on the stand. If this was a client or yourself, you would move the hand to the side. So yeah. And I'm just doing some little dots just because I think they look pretty. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. So we're going to use some stickers now and get these finished. So these are Louis Vuitton stickers, and I'm just going to stick a big pink LV. I should have top coated these nails in a shiny top coat. Stickers don't like to stick to a matte surface, so make sure you get it rubbed right down all them edges. You don't want any top coat to go under the stickers. So yeah, I'm just going to stick some stickers on these and then seal them in with a matte top coat. And that's kind of this set finished. I did do a 2 more little added extras off camera, but I'll show you them in a sec. So this is the Madam Glam velvet matte top coat now. So a quick matte top coat, cure that for 30 seconds, and then yeah, I'll show you what I did off camera. Ta-da! So I've added a little pink bow, and I've added another star to that ring finger. I just thought that ring finger looked a bit boring, but I love these. I think they turned out so pretty. I love them middle nails. I'm going to do that more often. I really, really like it. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget you can get 30% off Madam Glam using my code unpolished30. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one if I've not melted. Bye.